Alright, let's stop here for a second. I bet most of you watching this video already know how I make 2-part mold for my metal casting video. So, only for this time, we can move this aside and I will explain you why I am doing this video today. So, Mayhem is a local multiplayer game I've been developing over the last 2 years with a true friend of mine under the team name Octolab. And the reason I'm promoting this other project today is that we just launched a Kickstarter campaign to sell our game in early access and hopefully gather some funds to finally finish the game. Of course, I know that you guys that follow me here most probably don't care much about this niche that is local multiplayer gaming. So really I don't expect any of you guys to just fund the game just because I'm saying it. But instead what I hope is just to spark a bit of curiosity so that you follow the link below and check the page, maybe watch the trailer of the game or see what's my part in the developing of the project and so on. So yeah, just to be extra clear, my only aim in this video is to generate some traffic to our Kickstarter page in the hope to boost our ranking in the site. So I hope you appreciate the honesty and please check the links below, and if you have any questions just let us know. And consider sharing the game to your friends or family or whoever might be interested, because that would help us a lot. Thank you a lot, guys. Now, back to the metal casting video. And here is how it looks like at the end. Micro, 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 micro.
Micro Mayhem.
Micro Mayhem.